The Antahkarana is often called the Rainbow Bridge, or the Bridge of Light. The Antahkarana is literally translated as the inner organ. It is a stream of lighted energy which connects the highest aspects of our energy system with the lower aspects. Until the Antahkarana is built, there is no means by which the spiritual triad or the monad, let us say the spirit of man, can connect with his normal personality mind. The Antahkarana is built scientifically. Building the Antahkarana is one of the higher stages of meditation. The consciousness of the lower man can ascend into the higher worlds via the Antahkarana. One builds the Antahkarana through the use of intensity of focus, the creative imagination, and the art of intensified projection of a beam of light across the already imagined bridge of light. There are 6 stages to building the Antahkarana, and we human beings mostly focus on the first 3: intention, visualization, projection. These stages lead to an evocation of the higher life. In the parable, as given in the Bible, the prodigal son returns towards his father's home, and the father runs forth to greet him, the evocative response of the higher light to the invocation of the prodigal son. The prodigal son evokes his father, the spirit aspect, through the invocative process of building the Antahkarana.